renewable energy penetration in Ghana has been very, very, very low. And for any country to achieve a significant improvement in its energy mix, it is proper some percentage of renewable is added to the mix. This government has set up an aggressive agenda to make sure that renewable energy becomes part and parcel of our energy mix. To achieve the agenda of 20% of renewable energy by 2030, the ministry has begun to install solar rooftops and institute programs that will make it very compatible for Ghanaians to enjoy these services. The solar rooftop program is aimed at reducing expenditure on utilities for government and public buildings. Ladies and gentlemen, 1,006 installations have been completed between 2017 and 2018, and an amount of 200 solar systems installed in non-electrified communities, such as the Kwewu East and Kwewu South districts. Off-grid electrification programs have also been undertaken throughout the country. There have been extensive development of mini-grid systems across the country. 10,000 Ghanaians in 5 island communities provided with 24/7 electricity through state-of-the-art solar and wind installations in 2017 in Volta, Brong-Ahafo, and Greater Accra. 25 solar-powered microgrids completed in northern Brong-Ahafo and western region, and 24,770 solar lanterns with phone charging functionality were sold at 70% subsidy to communities across the country.